The person in this video is not a paid actor, but an actual SunWest employee.
Hello everyone, Buffy the Rate Slayer here. Thanks for tuning in today with the latest Market Insight Report coming straight to you from the SunWest Mortgage Company Trade Desk. The benchmark 10-year Treasury note yield fell 15 basis points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500 Index, and the NASDAQ Composite Index all went from more than 1% gains Wednesday to at least 0.8% losses in the final hours of trade. Crude oil plunged by more than 8%. So let's see what else is happening in the news today. And traders' expectations for the Federal Reserve to ease policy rose in the Fed Fund futures market after President Donald Trump announced plans to impose 10% tariffs on the remaining $300 billion worth of imports that have up to now been untouched by levies. Expectations for the Fed to cut rates by 25 basis points at the September meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee climbed to 70.4% from 48.6% just a day ago. And lastly, U.S. stocks, which had all but taken back the steep losses, suffered a day earlier amid disappointment over prospects for future Federal Reserve rate cuts, quickly dropped back into negative territory. Investors are being hit on two fronts as rising trade tensions hurt the growth outlook on the one hand, while the Fed simultaneously seems a little less willing to keep cutting rates. Okay, so with all that being said today, guys, what does this mean for the consumer? Great rates. All right, that's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for more updates while our trading desk will keep you informed with pricing incentives. Buffy out.
Our staff puts the fun back in mortgage finance.